2. Listo, listo, listo. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yo. Okay, I can hear myself now. All right, cool. What's going on, y'all? How's everything going? Dang, man. I'm trying to just like throw my phone down. Hey, hey. All right. ¿Qué pues, Gerson? ¿Cómo estás, mi pana? Ojalá que estés todo bien. ¿Cómo andas? Aquí estamos un poquito cansado. Just came back from the gym, so I'm a little tired. So have a little granola bar. ¿Cómo va la app? Bueno, brother, me disculpa que estoy comiendo. La app, por sí yo creo que ya está terminada. Hoy hay dos cositas que quiero hacer. Uno, noté que la aplicación cuando se lanza y estás en modo oscuro o dark mode, como que la aplicación no, y ahorita te lo enseño, como sale blanco y después se pone negro, que eso es algo que tengo que cambiar en Android. Entonces me falta terminar eso. Y dos, también me toca crear o sea, compilarlo para ya sacarlo al App Store. Al App Store, no App Store, pero a la bendita, al Play Store. Man, estoy súper cansado hoy. Pero sí, en eso estamos y, o sea, faltan esas dos cositas y voy a estar también experimentando un poquito con, ¿cómo se llama? Con un AI que se llama Goose. Y hablamos de eso después. Voy a tratar de hacer que me haga unos unit tests y pues por ahí vamos. Por ahí vamos. Y vos, comentame, ¿en qué andas? Yo, what's up, Mono Z? Not bad, y'all. I'm eating. You be nice today, you promise. I hope so, man. Y'all had me crazy last time. Y'all were bad. Y'all were being bad. You and Hungry Hippo were being bad. Watch. I said Hungry Hippo and he's gonna appear. Even though you have the points, bro, you're a dangerous man. You're a dangerous man right now. Not bad. Have stuff in my mouth. Si quiero pepino soy. Para nada, brother. Ningún pepino quiero yo. No quiero pepino para nada. ¿Por qué me quieres dar pepinos, brother? ¿A ti te gustan los pepinos? Bro, pero es que es un pepino en vinagre. Y eso es como, that's horrible. That's bad. Yo, Mono Z, so, how's your battle with Apple have been going? Did you get that resolved? Man, I'm so hungry. Sorry, I got a mess on my table here. All right. Man, I think I just want to relax a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so tired. Interesting. Still waiting on Apple? Damn, bro. I'm sorry to hear. I'm sorry to hear. And, bro, we're gonna go through these battles together, man. You know, if you figure out tips on what works for you on Apple, like when you do release your app, let me know. I'll let you know too as I play with stuff, and hopefully we can, you know, collectively learn more and grow more. So tell me a little bit about OpenTelemetry. I've heard of it, but I don't really know much about it. Okay, AZ threw a bunch of stuff that I need to check out in the Discord. I know, I heard this. Oh, damn, okay. So, like, explain to me, what exactly is open telemetry? Is it a way to help you, like, diagnose your database and optimize it and your queries? Or is it like another technology kind of like Redis that helps you make your database and record keeping a little bit faster? All right, sorry. I'm just getting like, estoy consiguiendo energía. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get a little bit of energy because um I just came back from working out and I'm a little tired, but we're gonna jump into it. I'm gonna change this music. Oh, okay. So then it allows you to kind of map everything out so you can then see where your bottlenecks are and then optimize based on that eventually. Is that kind of what you mean? I mean, that's what it kind of sounds like. Okay, there's definitely more me right now. All right. I do have some. Oh, that's dope, man. That's dope. I might need that for my next project. Then I might experiment with that with my gift suggestion app. Because that's very interesting, and it's probably something. I mean, I don't know if we need it as indie devs, but once you get to the point where something is growing, we might need it. But cool, man. That's dope. I'm definitely gonna try and check it out for my next application. Okay, I see. I didn't know that. I didn't know that Spring had it already integrated. Letuga, what's up? Que pues? One question: Java or C Sharp? And the answer is it depends. I mean, I'll probably say Kotlin if I had to pick, but it depends, man. What are you trying to build? Are you trying to build backend? Are you trying to build games? Are you trying to build mobile applications? What are you trying to do? I can't just answer that without enough context. Backend. Okay. So backend is interesting, and I'll give you my take. I'll give you my take with my experience. Back before I became a mobile developer, I used to work at a contracting company where we did different jobs for different clients. One of them had a requirement to build backend services for them using Azure. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Azure suite, to use the Azure suite, and that is a Microsoft suite service, kind of like Google, the Google services that you have for the web as well for backend. So, anyways, I built the backend using Spring Boot using Java, and I noticed that although it shouldn't give you much of a problem, I noticed that when working with the Azure suite, my life would have been much more easier had I used C Sharp over Java, because they just have a lot of the libraries and integrations just kind of ready for you bare bones when building backend using C Sharp. So in hindsight, I probably would have went back and built that same backend using C Sharp instead of Spring Boot and Java. But it all depends. It all depends. It was a requirement that I had for the client, therefore I had to use Azure. So I had to use. I probably should have used C Sharp, but it depends on your use case. Like I think right now, I personally am seeing more jobs that are using Java. Like where I work, we use Java as the backend, or Kotlin rather. So if you are gonna go the Java Kotlin route, I would say learn Kotlin instead, because then you can easily pick up mobile development if you want. You can then do backend development, but also with Kotlin Multiplatform, you can build everything that you want. You can build desktop, you can build Linux, you can build Mac OS, iOS, Android, and backend and frontend with just learning Kotlin. So yeah, that's my 2 cents for it. Yeah, I agree, Mona Z. So Spring Boot with Kotlin, that's exactly what I did, and it wasn't hard. It wasn't hard. It was pretty easy to integrate both, right? Because it's interoperable. So um, you use C# at work. There you go. See, that's a perfect example, Latuga, of somebody who has experience in work and where they are using C#. Like I said, at my job, we use Java and Kotlin. So it just depends on the use case. But yeah, welcome on in, man. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop it in. Que para eso estamos. All right. I did have a list of some stuff I wanted to get done here. Let's see. I do want to do a release build, but before I do the release build, what's up, John 2.0? Thank you. Gali, hijo la puta mierda, hijo la gran madre, cojones. Yo, Letuga, thank you so much for the follow, my guy. Appreciate it. I got scared. Yo, oh man. Thank you, John 2.0. Oh my gosh. I might have to turn down that volume. That's a little bit too loud. Are you as scared as that locker room? With Draymond Green and Butler, bro, I know, bro. I saw that and I thought about you. Oh man, this is crazy. No, John, to that. Oh, no time for no pickle juice. Like I said, this is the only one I have. So I don't want a Medipon talking smack. I don't want a Really Hot Fixtures talking smack. This is all I got. So, and I got another one of this because I told my wife, hey, wifey, can you please bring me another pickle jar? Make sure it's not the sour kind. And then she brought me one of these and she's like, is this what you meant? I said, no, but thank you. So now I got 2 of these of pickle juices. If Poole was in that room, bro, Poole could not be a part of that aura. Like he walk in and the aura of Draymond Green and Jimmy Butler collides and he just blows out Poole out of the way. The 2 guys. So if I start with Java, no, man, you. Okay, man, all right. Latuga. So if I start with Java Spring Boot, I can easily learn Kotlin, right? Because at least here in Europe, Java has more opportunities. I mean, yeah, I think so. I came from a Java, well, I wouldn't say a Java background, but a little bit about me is before jumping into mobile, I used to be a full stack engineer. I did PHP, I did Ruby on Rails. And in that, while doing that as my regular full-time job, I would also build side projects for myself using Java. So I would build Android application using Java. And when I finally got the opportunity 5 years later for me to get a job as a mobile developer, when I switched careers, basically, they told me, hey, we're not going to use Java. We're going to use Kotlin because Google just announced support for Kotlin. This was back in 2017. So then I haven't looked back since I jumped into Kotlin because Kotlin just makes your dev life so much easier. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it so much. But I digress. I go back to the point, Latuga, that if you said you have more opportunities over there where you are in Europe to use Java, so learn that. Do whatever is it that you need to do to make sure you get your money and get your livelihood. So I hate on Flutter a lot over here, but at the end of the day, there's love for Flutter. Because if people are making money with Flutter, by all means, please. All right, I'm gonna have to change a little bit up with this TTS. TTS is driving a little crazy. Let's see here. Events, when somebody chats. I'm gonna give it like a little timer. Cooldown. I'll give it a 60-second cooldown. How about that? All right, cool. All right, now we're here. So several little things I need to do today. One, I need to get all of the freaking, ¿cómo se llama? The screenshots para mi, for my app. So I have some already. What? Okay. These are all iOS. You can tell these are all iOS. And then this is Android. So I'm probably from Android. Oh, I didn't like these. Maybe I should get rid of these too. Yeah. Do I got the iOS ones? Okay, this is iOS. I didn't get a girl one for iOS, huh? Damn it. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to get a girl one for iOS. Okay, so I am going to get rid of this one and this one. This is Android. And then this is Android too. Right here. Okay. So I need the plan, predict. I'll just take one of each. All right. History. All right, cool. Okay, so we're gonna open up this puppy here. We're working with this tab. Where's it at? Where's the shots? So here's the shots. Yo, John 2.0. I guess nobody else is making a project in Kotlin. How about you, man? How about you, John 2.0? What are you working on right now, man? Anything you want to show off? Ok, vamos a ver acá. Este ya lo cambiamos, ¿no? Este lo tenemos de azul. No, tenemos el de la mujer. Yeah, we have the woman. So for this one, now I want to change the color here. Util, and let's get blue. This is the last thing I was trying to do here. All right, bet. And we can just download this. I'm not at that level yet. Someday. Okay, man. I mean, I forget, bro. What is the level you at, man? You studying right now? You learning? You'll get there someday. Day job. I'm yet to build payments into my app yet. Hey. He will. He has a roadmap. He has a pretty cool roadmap. I'm sure he will at some point. John to that. Oh, remind me, man. Are you in the Discord? I think you are. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, bro. Let me know. Anything. Cualquier preguntita que tenés, me decís. Tyler was... Yo, Tyler. Don't be posting any links, Tyler. Don't be posting any links. You hear me? Come on, man. What's up? How you doing? Latuga, if you were starting your career from scratch and you wanted to become a back-end... Sorry. Oh, okay. Stripe is a... Okay, I need to remember exactly. Is this for your API app? All right, it's my bad. I digress. Latuga, if you were starting your career from scratch and you wanted to become a back-end developer, which programming would you learn? Considering the current market, tell me which one you would choose. Uy, that's a very good question, Latuga. So right now the market is really rough, I feel like. I would try to find a position or jobs that might not have this is a tough one, because if you're starting from scratch, you might not have a lot of experience, right? Which means you already have a big battle in today's market. So I would definitely try to leverage AI. Oh man, I'm thinking, bro. Hold on. This is a good one. If I was starting from scratch right now, look, I was trying to find job markets that has things or Dale, Gerson, te me cuidas, mi brother. Te me cuidas. Que tenga bonita noche, brother. Hey, my daughter drew that. So yeah. Que te salga cool up. Gracias, mi brother. Gracias. Ojalá que sí. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying to leverage AI from pure scratch. What I was trying to say is, I would try to leverage AI to try to study and get to a certain point, but I'll agree with that. So I would first of look, maybe that's a better way to start the two. So I would start by looking at what not to pick. So what I would not pick to start. I would probably not pick JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I wouldn't try to focus myself on those technologies. Why? Because if you let's say you come out of school with a CS degree and that's what you focus primarily on, you're gonna have a battle with those people that are coming out of boot camps, because boot camps typically teach you the JavaScript, HTML, CSS route. So those technologies I probably would not do. If I were to piggyback a little bit on what Mono and Z said, I would try to find, yeah, for sure, like what is in demand and try to study that. But in my brain, what's going on right now is I'm thinking about what are niche job positions that in the future the AI leverage might not help out that much. What I mean by that, I mean that, right, coding is getting to a point where AI is doing a lot of help, a lot of good code. It's almost kind of like almost like a junior dev. I'm not gonna say it's replacing a junior dev, but it's almost like a junior dev. That's the way AI is getting to that point. So I would try to find myself in a position in where I know enough of a product, which is hard to do as an entry developer. And a good example might be, okay, I know very good WordPress. So I'm pretty good at WordPress. I can now leverage my knowledge on WordPress using PHP to help the mom and pop shops that are around my area to make my own business and grow up, right? That's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is, okay, maybe I want to be an iOS engineer. Even though AI is catching up, the level and the level of understanding when it comes to attacking product within the constraints of your application, that's hard for an AI to do, in my opinion. So, and picking a market like Swift and iOS, where the demand for those devices is at an all-time high, and the fact that iOS and Mac and Apple has their own ecosystem, right? They have Mac OS, Apple, Watch OS, iOS, right? All of these, like learning Swift, I think will have a little bit more of a job security in the long run. You know, that's kind of where I'm thinking. Maybe I'm overthinking this shit, but I think overall, learning something like Java or Kotlin, the way it's going right now, the way it's trending, all these technologies and these frameworks, I think is going to be a much more popular language in the future. So I think a lot more jobs openings are going to happen in the future when it comes around Kotlin. Because this is the one thing about Java, right? Java runs on practically everything that you know. It runs on this camera. It runs on if you have a smart fridge, if you have you know, I don't know, like the freaking Google Minis, or maybe like the wireless signal that, like, there's so many things that Java runs on. So you have much more of an opportunity, I think, in the future there. I don't know, man. That was a long-winded way of saying that's what I personally would do. You know, I would, to be honest, like going back, I probably wouldn't go to school. I would take the money that was used in school to invest in myself and try to build my own business and grow. And I think I personally would have probably start down the PHP route, because, you know, I would go door to door and out to people who I see have local businesses, try to help them out, try to like work myself up from there. And then once I have the need to learn something more like Kotlin and Java, meaning like I can build mobile applications, I will go from there. And the reason why I said PHP is because when you're building stuff with Kotlin and Java, there's so much overhead. Like there's a lot of like rampant things that you need to learn, right? You need to learn about dependencies. You need to learn about like Gradles. You need to learn about, a whole bunch of different things. With PHP, as long as you know how to do SSH, as long as you know how to just open a text file, you can run PHP. So it's just pretty easy. So my bad. I know what you meant. You would use it in learning, but not in coding. Yes, exactly. Let's preacher. See, man, you already know what I was saying. I would leverage doing projects that I can put energy in doing and completing. Hey, right there, bro. Right there. So kawaii that illustration, pa. Gracias, compadre. Que pues jaguar, ¿cómo estás? Look, Letuga. That what Illustrator Preacher just said is like a golden nugget. I would leverage doing projects that I can put energy in doing and completing. So in the regular workforce, right, you have to see a lot of things to completion. If you are a DRI for a project, for instance, you're in charge of making sure you can see this feature request be implemented, be tested, be deployed, and it has a life cycle after deployment, right? So you have to complete this whole picture. You don't normally see that in your side projects. So I highly recommend, if you are going to do any side projects, as Illustrator just said, you got to make sure you see them through. That's what I'm trying to do here. Look, I've been an Android engineer since 2017, and I have yet to release an app for myself. This week is going to be the first time I'm ever going to do that in my 13 years of career, basically. So it's so important to see something finish because one is going to give you confidence, and two, you can say, this is done, this is mine. You know what I'm saying? And that's just going to, I think, get you more prepared for the actual workflows. I agree with you. Thank you, bro. Here where I live, Java is really popular, and the future, I can always learn Kotlin easily. Dope. Exactly what Mona Z said. I feel like completion is something that isn't talked enough in advice. I agree. Completion, everybody says start, but nobody says finish, right? If you hear a lot of people, they're like, you need to start. You need to just do it. You need to just get into it, right? Just do it. But nobody talks about finishing. Like, the just doing needs to lead to you seeing and walking the end. Esto es cine. Oh, sí. ¿Y por qué cine, mi brother? ¿Estás bien chismosito por allá? Entonces, Jaguar, coméntame, brother, ¿qué estás haciendo esta noche? ¿Cómo la estás pasando? ¿Todo bien? All right. Hopefully that helps, Latuga. JavaScript for backend, I wouldn't choose it because there is a lot of competition. Yeah, and as I was saying, bro, like boot camps immediately teach you. I mean, yeah, you're right, Mono and Z, you're right. I guess goals, right? So I consider my finished goal as version 1.0. How about that? There you go. That's a way to say that you finish it. But you're right, projects are never fully finished. What I was saying. Oh, so yeah. So like I was saying, in boot camps, they use JavaScript a lot. So yeah, you're definitely going to have competition there. Eso sí, es una expresión cuando algo que ves está muy chido. Brother, y pues, ¿qué viste que está chido? Porque por acá yo lo que veo es un feíto por aquí por la cámara y un montón de código. Thanks, that was really helpful. I really appreciate, guys. Yeah, hey, no problem, Latuga. And look, if you are interested in asking more questions like that in the future, I highly recommend you join the Discord. I'll be upfront with you. We don't really chat a lot in it, but if anybody asks any questions, you have a bunch of experienced engineers that you could rely on to help, answer whatever question you have. That way you can grow and I can grow because I'm teaching you, and that boosts my confidence. Bet, cool, dope. Sounds good, man. Well, I'll see you around in Discord. If you ever have any questions, please, there's channels you can use to ask questions here. They're released and are public, but they're never finished. Yep. I mean, you're not wrong, bro. You're not wrong. But I am gonna try and finish this one. My what's it called? My definition of finish in this scenario is making sure we can see this release on both iOS and Android. Which, by the way, I already created my Android profile. Sorry, my Google profile for Android for the Play Store. And I already created my account for Apple as well, Apple developer for the App Store. I'm just waiting on some verifications from their end. And then after that, I'm going to start uploading the listing. So that you will focus on the finish line is like when you see in a movie, a monologue, que te motiva. Listo, right? Exacto. Pero es que eso es lo que yo quiero hacer, ojalá que pueda motivar a cualquiera que viene por acá. ¿Me entendés? Ojalá que puedan aprender un poquito y no sé, crecemos y vamos bien, vamos chilling. ¿Me entendés? What's up, Holiday? How you doing? Glad to see you around. How's your project coming? Right, because you were doing Kotlin for sure. Yes, you were doing Kotlin. You're doing Android as well. All right. I did see a bug on this app, and let me see if I can catch this. When I launch, look at that. I'm in dark mode, but when I launch, this is white. Oh my gosh, yo. Yeah. I mean, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna run into that eventually. But you know what? And hopefully this tool that I'm gonna show y'all here in a little bit. Hopefully this tool that I'm gonna show y'all here in a little bit will help with that, Mono and Z. It's an AI tool, and it plugs in directly into whatever directory you want it to learn context from, and based on that you can then help it. It will help you develop applications if you want. So I'm hoping I can leverage AI at that point once my app is getting older and we need to update the stuff, so that way AI can just do the update for me. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to get at. Doing well. Yes, Kotlin. Learning to make network calls with retrofit. Cool. Retrofit. I don't know if you know this, but well, yeah. So yes, okay, yes. So we're where I work, the creator of retrofit. I mean, I think we are, right? Isn't it? Hold on, let me see here. Right? Oh, it's in the block. Yeah. So yeah, we are the maintainers of retrofit. Hey, Mono and Z, you probably will appreciate this. The first day I started working here, bro, I asked a question about Jetpack Compose, and this man answered my Slack message, bro. I was wild. I was geeking out. I'm not gonna lie. I was geeking out. I don't know him. I don't know him, but you know, he works where I work. So yeah. But that's cool, Holiday. I would recommend also, if you can, learn Ktor. Because if you're learning Kotlin, you can also do Ktor, and Ktor will help you build multi-platform applications. So yeah. I know, bro. I know. It's crazy. It's so, you know, yeah, it's crazy. I'm amongst a lot of awesome people, but they're definitely like way levels above me. So I don't see them on a regular day basis. All right, cool. Let us go ahead and get these screenshots and knock this out here. So I need, which ones I need here? Okay, I see I have a, where's the blue one? Did it download? should have. Yeah, okay, I have the blue, I have the red, the pink, and for Android, I also have the let's plan, the girl, so I need predict, and I need it in white mode. Okay. In white mode. In light mode. Yo, that's crazy. Let's see here. Bro, yeah, that would be something crazy, bro. If he would ever be here, he'd be like, what does this guy does? He doesn't even write code in Android. How do we have him employed? Sorry, I roast myself a lot. That's funny. Butter knife, bro. That was the OG. That's the OG. Here, I'm trying to take a screenshot of this. Copy to clipboard. And I need to open preview. But it might show. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we here. Cancel. And then this. Edit. File new from clipboard. So backwards I have to do this crap. Bro, my fucking hell, bro. Are you serious, fam? Are you serious, bro? Let's go. Adivínalo, 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 adivínalo. What do you mean, boo, bro? Y'all don't hate. Don't hate. The pickle god has failed me. Oh my gosh. One question, bro. I also enjoy building games, like 2D, 3D games as a hobby, and I know C# with Unity would be better than Java, but do you think I could build 2D, 3D games with Java? That's a good question, Latuga. So I'm in a similar boat as you, because right now although I'm a mobile developer by trade, I do want to build a game eventually. And what I'm trying to do, like what I'm going to use, is Godot. I tried Unity in the past. I did not like the way Unity worked, but I forgot MonoNZ that Kotlin, I'm actually in that Discord. There is I don't know if it's a fork, if it's a repo that's out there where they're trying to add Kotlin JVM support to Godot. So technically you could use Kotlin to build games through the Godot game engines. So there you go. Yeah, but I think Hungry Hippo, he's trying to stick to Java as far as backend is concerned. So that's why he doesn't want to use C#. It wasn't me. Hey, Diambul, what's good, man? How you doing? Exactly. Well, there you go, man. Hopefully that helps. Let's see here. Android predict. Okay. Let's do another one. What else we need to do? We need to do the onboarding. Come on, baby. App info on install. No, not install. Let's get rid of the storage. And then right here, launch again. Otra vez. I was playing around with this as the landing screen, but I didn't like it. Okay, so let's take a screenshot of this. Copy the clipboard, back to preview, edit file, new from clipboard. Oh, I thought it was because it's Unity. No, he was asking for advice on what language he should focus on. And it sounds to me, based on the area that he lives, that Java is probably a better alternative for him. So then he was just curious about doing games as well. This is such a tedious process. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Okay, save this as Android predict onboarding. Save, and then let me just immediately do dark mode on one of these. I'll just do it on this one. Oh, not here. Put a preview on the stars. Different clipboard. There we go. Oops. Save Android predict onboarding dark. Yo, what's up, Mr. Solo Q? How you doing? Hello, hello. Hope you're doing all right. You chilling tonight, my guy? Todo bien? All right, I think I have enough to do the shots. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Dímelo que. I need to turn up that music a little bit during my headset. No, it's just that I also enjoy building games sometimes, but I wanted to stick with Java for the backend. And I wanted to know if I could use it also to build games with Godot, for example. Yeah, man. Short answer is yes. A long answer is in development. So I mean, yeah, by all means, go try it out. I recommend you should. The reason why I decided not to use Kotlin to develop a Godot game is because if bro, so you're hitting the point what I was trying to tell Letuga. So I was trying to tell Letuga, like, I was trying to build a game using Kotlin, for instance, through Godot, but then I opted to learn GDScript and learn Godot just the way vanilla it was. That way, one, I learned something new. Two, my part of the brain that's so used to one language and one way of thinking is now changing. So I'm kind of like expanding my brain. At least that's the way I think it does. And three, you know, it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun. So I'm right there with you, bro. I'm right there with you. What's up? Who cares, YouTube? Oh, that's a banger. I want to try and make my family a mobile app to replace iCloud, Google Drive, and OneDrive. Okay. Now go to Java or C#. I'm a PHP dev. I own my own home service with far enough storage. Dope. Well, come on in. Who cares, YouTube? So, my PHP fellow, I used to use PHP as well. Let me test your knowledge. Have you ever heard of a framework called Cake PHP? I'm guessing you're probably using Laravel or Lumen now. That's what I think Hungry Hippo uses, if I'm not mistaken. But have you heard, like, I want to know how old of a dev you are. Are you like, do you know the Cake PHP and all of those? Laravel, yeah, okay. Oh, that's Hungry Hippo. I actually use my own MVC application I wrote, but yes, I've heard of those. So if you wrote your own MVC application and you have your own home server with storage, I'm guessing you have your own clients, and you're an OG. You're an OG. So that's what's up. That's what's up. Bro, Cake PHP was trash, in my opinion. It was trash, man. But that's dope. Who cares, YouTube? Hey, man, if you want to learn, I think since you already know PHP, Java is easy to learn. I also think if you learn Java, Kotlin is definitely easy to learn. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in learning at all about mobile development. We help people out that ask questions in the Discord or here on stream, man. So welcome on in, welcome on in. Any mobile question or any question at all is welcome. Remember Code Igniter? Bro, I remember Code Igniter. Code Igniter was something else. I tried using it once and I got destroyed. Like, I couldn't get anything running. And then I had to go back to Cake PHP, which was worse. So Yeah, I'll tell you that much. Primary Dart. Bro, coding Drupal? Yeah, I've heard of Drupal too. I've never actually used Drupal though. WordPress for your jam? I mean, bro, WordPress is an underrated, in my opinion, framework to use because like so many people depend on WordPress. It's not even funny. So many people like it has, man. It's yeah. You can make some good money if you hustle with WordPress. Matter of fact, I have a homie who have like 5 websites that they're paying him $25 a month when it costs him like $5 a month to host a server, using it on everything on WordPress. Yo, pues, good trip. Buena. ¿Cómo estás? Yo, good trip. Brother, tenemos que hablar. Hoy voy a tratar de enseñar un poquito de Goose. And we'll see. We'll see. I was a man. Okay. Yeah, I remember you were telling me last stream about that drama. It's ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. I can't believe it's getting to that point. Okay, for this one. Oh, where is my Android plan? Okay. Plan, I don't have plan, right? So let's throw this in. Do I already have plan? Good night, baby. I already have plan. Why did I re-upload plan? Okay. El otro se predict. Yeah, let's do predict. I really dislike this color choice for light team. I need to change this in the future. Pero no sé cómo. We'll see. We'll see. Did it download? It did. Okay. Yeah, I don't really use PHP the way most people use it. I built myself a deployment pipeline using my MVC application. It talks to RabbitMQ for automation and processing in the backend to trigger things via PHP. You sound like a really tenured person, my guy. You do. That's dope. That's dope. Is there anything that you could share with us for us to see? Like a link? Unless you're Tyler, because Tyler is not allowed to send links. You better not send me any more links, Tyler. So yeah. But yeah, if you want to share a project that you're doing, tíralo por ahí. Yeah. Let it go in the chat. Yeah, Tyler is not allowed to send links anymore. Yeah, bro, I freaked the hell out. I'm not gonna lie. My watch, bro, there was a big old spike for like the next 20 minutes. It was bad. It was bad. Did this one get downloaded? Yeah, this one did. So let's see. Plan, predict. And that's it, right? Now, I probably, since I don't have the boy, and I'm doing a really bad job of gathering these. Okay, let's see here. Let me create a brand new folder so I can hold on to this on my desktop. Oh my gosh. New folder. Baby gender. Okay. Then let's see, open a new tab. Then let me just throw all of these in here. Sorry, y'all. I'm doing some stuff under the hood. I'm about to show it off here. All right, so I have some files here. It's my personal. I'm actually in the process of trademarking the name. My program name is going through the legal process right now. That's dope, man. That's dope. That's the way to go, in my opinion, to be able to build your own stuff and to be able to, hopefully make some money off your own stuff. I think that that's where I want to get to. All right, let's just start throwing these in. So this is iOS. Okay, first two iOS, throw these in. Android, iOS, Android. So these three are Android. iOS, Android. So these two. That way we can just kind of have a better gauge of what screenshots I'm missing. All right. So Android, we have this one. What was the inspiration for this app was market. It was the market holiday. I investigated. I was trying to look into apps that I was just browsing the App Store and the Play Store to see what apps I could replicate. And I only found this app on the App Store. Recently, I found one on the Android store, but I found one on the App Store. It had over 50,000 downloads, I think. In-app purchases. I opened it up. It was super, super bad, in my opinion. Granted, like mine's, I don't think is the best mind-blowing thing, but I think I did a better job than they did. Anyways, so I'm basically just kind of copied it, not really copying, but kind of like using it as inspiration, kind of cloning it and see where we go from there. Plus, I've used these calendars before and they work. So kind of personal experience there. All right, so we have this one plan. Only these? What am I missing then? I need to definitely give, okay, predict. It's not enough. I have this one, then I have dark team. And I can show maybe this one. It's a boy and it's a girl. And predict. Maybe I should put plan as well. How many screenshots are we allowed to upload? I'm not sure. But maybe I'll do plan as well. So just predict. And down here I have plan, and you have it in white mode, in light mode. I keep saying white mode. What the hell? So look, like that's something I would highly recommend doing. Is if you're trying to build a mobile application, or any application for that matter, specifically mobile, go through the App Store, the Play Store, and like for instance, here I'll show real quick. So if I go to Play Store, right, and let's say I'm gonna look at the top paid, for instance, right? Ooh, Balatro, I might buy this. I heard it was a really good name. So let's actually get out of games. Let's go to apps. I go to top paid, right? Like for instance, watch faces are like the top paids. Everybody is buying watch faces. So I've been thinking about building a watch face that would fit my needs. And then maybe sell it, and we'll see. And they make it very easy for you to create the watch faces. But anyways, let's continue. Let's try to find something else. Right? We see FL Studio, Goblin Tools, Kenny Gifts. I don't know what this is, so I'll probably look at this. Okay, Kenny Gifts is just art about Kenny. I guess it's a little style of art, right? And then what I would do here is from here I would go into, and y'all probably can't see this, huh? But in this area por acá, right, it has this similar apps area. So I'll probably click here in the similar apps and see, okay, well, we have River Levels. It has 4.4 star. Okay. 10,000 downloads. Not something I'm interested in. So maybe I'll go back. Let's back out somewhere and see something else. So I probably would pick like, just trying to see if I can find something that is easily man, que lo puedo clonear, bendita sea. Si lo puedo decir en español sería más fácil. But on the phone, it's easier because you can scroll down through a lot more of these items. But let's see here. I want to Like, listen, Penally, digital planner. Okay, it's a digital planner. We can put in everything. It has a nice aesthetic to it. 100,000 downloads, 40 star, and you buy it, right? This is interesting. What are the features? PDF. Okay, then I go look at the ratings. What are the 1-star ratings? Okay, it's very clear to me this app is no phone friendly, but geared towards tablets. Okay, so then maybe that's something I can pinpoint. Okay, maybe I could make this a application that's geared for people who own phones and not tablets. Make it a much better experience. Make it super niche. Not for me, for myself, even after watching the tutorial, this app was hard to use. It's not intuitive and frustrating to use. Okay. So like, I would go and collect all of these things and then try to see, dive in a little bit more. But then, like I said, I probably would not pick this one. I will go into something much deeper into the similar apps and then look at, let's say, okay, this one looks interesting. Super task, 100,000 downloads. It's a planner to do. Okay. Seem pretty interesting. But then maybe let's go in a little bit deeper. And I would just keep going in and going in and going in. To-dos lists are hard. And habit tracking apps are hard because there's a ton of them out there, right? So I would try to stay away from something like this. But for instance, I would maybe look up, I don't know, love. What's the top thing in love right now? Okay, because Valentine's is coming around the corner, right? So maybe I could do something with love or Valentine's, right? Valentine's, right? And I probably could make something geared towards this. What's up? What's up? Just kidding. How you doing? But sorry, Holiday. I went on a rant here, but that's how I came up with the idea, by just researching, basically. Okay, what's this? Love Nudge. Love Nudge, it has 1 million downloads. Okay. Wait, you said, oh crap. I think you gave me an idea. Oh snap. Well, execute it, man. You don't gotta share it. Execute it. Good. I'm glad you got an idea. Now make sure you sign the NDA and you give me a 10% of the world. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But yeah, hope that helped, Holiday. All right, since we're here, thank you, MetaDev Girl. Appreciate you holding it down on YouTube. Hope you're doing all right. MetaDev Girl. See, I'm gonna shout you out here. Oh, I can't shout you out because you're not here, huh? Yeah, dang it. I wish I could shout you out, but if y'all haven't, please follow MetaDev Girl on Twitch, YouTube, on all the tubes that are out there, all the social networks. All right, let's see here. What else do I need for these screenshots? I think I have enough. Predict, plan. Yeah, I think I have enough. Now let me verify iOS. I know I need at least one else extra for iOS. Oh, I need history. I need history for Android. Okay, let's get started. Let's go to history. Let's change this back to light, actually. I actually like dark mode way better than light. I have a bug too. Damn it. It did help, but glad it did. Did y'all hear like a little mosquito talk? Like I heard something like from the what's it called, from the TTS, but I really didn't hear anything else. Like, did y'all hear something? I don't know if just kidding was trying to say something, but I didn't see anything he said. Where's preview? New from clipboard. How much longer are you streaming tonight? I need to get a few more items done, so maybe I can hang with y'all for a bit. Yeah. So I worked out today, and I came straight to streaming, and I usually stop around 11:30 my time. Right now it's 9:30, so at least for the next 2 hours. Yo, who cares? Hi, man. You don't have to gift no sub. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for doing that. I don't know why the notifications didn't go off. That was a little late. But thank you so much. Who cares? You didn't have to do that. Appreciate you gifting the sub, man. Welcome to the team, to the community. Okay, this one's done. Let me now go save this one as Android history. And then I'll do one more with the plans. Here, let's see. I want a girl. Mom's age is 22, 23. Got it. And then we go to plan. Let's take a picture here. Only if you had YouTube gifts enabled would have definitely gifted there as well. Yo, hey, man, appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for saying that. I honestly don't know what gifted on YouTube is. So I'll try. That's something for me to take a look into. Yo, just kidding. Hey, thank you so much. Just kidding. You gotta do that. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for the sub. Yo, y'all are something else. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all definitely don't have to do that. And I think Hungry Hippo would say, don't tell me what to do. But maybe I'm tripping. All right, so we have this done. Yo, hey, see, none but love in the community. I love it. Thank you, just kidding. Really appreciate that, man. You're a good dude, too. You know, just kidding. Thank you so much, man. I do have this here for you just in case. No, oh, so that's why you gifted. That's why you gifted, huh? Oh, I see you. Okay. Okay. You're playing the long game. That's what you're doing, huh? Just kidding. Okay. Do not answer that question. Who cares, YouTube? Do not. Hungry Hippo? What? Hold on. Gifted a tier 1 sub to Pickle Shot. Who the hell is called Pickle Shot in my chat, bro? Who the hell is... Yo! Hey! Thank you. Hey, who cares? Man, y'all ain't gotta give these subs, man. But I really appreciate y'all making me happy right now. Making my night. Thank you so much. Yo, what's up? Hey, this is what I was talking about, y'all. Y'all definitely need to take a look at MetaDev Girl because she is awesome. My guy, bro. Thank you. Whoever gifted that anonymously. Yo, y'all are something else. Y'all don't have to. Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. No, just kidding. Why do you have to instigate this man, huh? Thank you so much again. Who cares? Thank you so much for the gifted sub. Dang, y'all are just something else tonight, man. I appreciate it. Y'all are something else. Do not listen to what Just Kidding is telling you. I'm just in awe right now, looking at the chat. Thank y'all. All right, let's see here. Android history is done. Let's download this. Yeah, y'all definitely take a look at MetaDev Girl. She is an awesome streamer that does a lot of oh my gosh, why Hungry Hippo? Why? But no, yeah, MetaDev Girl, she's also an awesome streamer. She does a lot of community work also in the Detroit area. She helps she's an entrepreneur, she's a teacher, she is a dope mom. Y'all just need to take a look at her, and whenever she goes up there and streams, you know, she's actually, I think, trying to get her PhD as well. And I think she's on the cutting edge of technology in a lot of the stuff that she mentions. So please just y'all give her a follow. Like, she's super dope. And she also came out on a cool show. I think PBS hosted it. they're pretty awesome. Like it was like a, I don't know how to, it was like a science piece based on with some other streamers, and they did a lot of, oh my gosh, I love those things. Oh, I can't think of the name because I'm so freaking confused about all the subscriptions. Y'all, thank you so much. She does, it was a escape room. It was an escape room. Yeah, exactly. There you go. An engineer in an escape room. There you go. Woo. Let's see here. Yes, a chair gives you a spin. I feel rip Hungry Hippo. He charged me 1,000 last week. Just kidding. All right, do you want me to give you an extra spin, man? Bro, hey, though, it's a common team here, YouTube. Who cares, YouTube? It's a common team. It always gets derailed. I just checked her out on YouTube video on planning, and it was really good. 100% holiday. That's what I'm saying. MetaDev Girl, she has a lot of dope content. And yeah, you should definitely check her out on YouTube, on Twitch, and all of that. Super chévere. Buenas, Javier Fernando Ramírez. ¿Cómo estás? Ojalá que estés bien. Dime lo que pasó por ahí en YouTube. ¿En qué andas? He's a scam master like Barry. Bro, I'm not a scam master. I'm even allowing you to get a free spin. That's what I just said. Come on, man. I'm not a scammer. Even though I have scamming emojis, y'all don't use them. Don't use this. Don't use the scam emojis. We derail it all the time once we get our points saved up. Yes, y'all do. Javier, contame, brother. Javier, ¿haces aplicaciones móviles? ¿Qué haces? ¿Eres ingeniero? Bro, just kidding. How about I give you one spin this stream and another spin the next stream? I'll put it like that. I think that's fair. I think that's fair, right? Okay. So after the ads, I think ads are coming up. I'll go ahead and do it, all right? Or during the ads section. During the ads section, I'll do it. Well, maybe people can't hear me. Anyways, let's see here. Android. Let me just get these screenshots done. And then where's the one for plan? History plan. Here we go. So this is the one that I need to upload. Oops. I was looking into some AI stuff here. Buenas. Okay, now let's download this. Now I have enough now, I think, to set up my store for Android. The only thing that's missing now, did I close that? No, here we go. Is the iOS female. So let's go. Oh, we got a hype chest. No, that's not fair. That's not fair. Just kidding. No. You tripping. We're going to run up the YouTube watch time. Hey, thank you, MetaDev Girl. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. El Javier Fernando Ramírez llegó y se me fue. Bro, no. I don't want, no, 250 tops. No. No, thank you. 500, that's the price. Let me see here. So what do I want to do is now get iOS. So let me bring out the simulator. Now, it's going to be a little choppy once the simulator comes up because my laptop, I mean, although it's not that old, it's a 2021 laptop, I'm at the point now where I think I need a new one. See, it's choppy. Is it back now? Is it normal? Estoy viendo a ver cómo se ve. Is it back? Is it still choppy? All right, it's good. It's good. Okay. Javier Fernando dice, no, apenas estoy empezando. Aprendí Python y ya llevo como 2 meses con Java, que la verdad quiero adaptarme a lenguajes altamente tipados y hacer una base realmente buenas. yo creo que al utilizar Java ya estás en buen camino. Python es un lenguaje que yo la verdad no, en términos de trabajo, no le veo tan eficiente que digamos, o tan popular para conseguir trabajos, pero Java yo creo que es una muy buena, te da más oportunidades. Y si aprendes Java, también puedes aprender Kotlin, que es lo que usualmente lo que yo hago. Y pues si quieres aprender más acerca de Java o Kotlin, brother, y te quieres unir a mi Discord, me decís, te tiro el link, te tiro el enlace ahí en YouTube y si quieres te unes y hablas ahí. Yo sé que hablo bastante inglés acá, pero también hay gente que habla en español que están en el Discord. Yo también hablo español y cualquier pregunta que tengas me dices. Hold on, an anonymous gifter is really a oh, that's a username. Oh, thank you, anonymous gifter. I didn't realize that that was an actual person. Well, thank you so much. I thought it was like just a label. This is anonymous gifter. All right. Anyways, just kidding. I got you, bro. I got you. This is for just kidding. You spent 2 times last 2,000 bits, right? So I got you. Let me just drop this link real quick on YouTube. So since you spent 2,000 points and then I changed the price to only be 500 points or 500 bits, I got you, bro. Here's the spin that I'm going to grant you for now, for this stream, and then I'll grant you a second one. But I won't spin it unless you say something in the chat, because I need to make sure you're here. So let me go back to this until you say something in chat. In the meantime, though, oh, you here? Okay, all right. Let's go. Here you go, bro. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Hey. Wasn't me. Diablo. Bro. Diablo. You just pop it in. It wasn't me. Yo. Thank you. No, I didn't scam. What do you mean I'm not scamming, bro? I'm not scamming. Para nada. Sí. Bro. No. No, bro. Bro. What? ¿Por qué, mi brother? ¿Por qué? Let's go. Adivínalo, adivínalo, lo que tiene más escondido, para el faltón. Adivínalo, ¿qué? Adivínalo, ¿cómo? Lo que tiene más escondido. Épale. I'm gonna take off the hat now just because of that. No, para nada. No. Nope. No pickle shot unless you earn it. You gotta earn it. Sí, llevo realmente poquito. La lógica como la tal de Python se me hizo muy fácil y creo que con Java puedo elevar mi lógica mucho más. Brother, lo que te va a elevar tu lógica es que vos hagas proyectos y los termines. O sea, ve un proyecto que existe allá afuera y clonéalo. Hazlo tuyo, hazlo en Java o hazlo en Python y crea tu propio proyecto, pero velo terminar. Cuando tú lo ves que se termine, bro, te lo imploro, haz eso, porque eso te va a hacer que crezcas un montón y lo que tú estás consiguiendo con la lógica lo vas a aprender mucho más, en mi opinión. Hard to earn on a rigged lead wheel. Bro, it's not rigged, bro. Hell, bro. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Thank you for the bits. Let's no!
Got him! Got him!
Bro! Are you for real? Wasn't me, Diabo. Wasn't me. Wow, bro. Wow, man. You gotta be kidding me, bro. What? Now, wait, what? I'm new here and I see pickle shot. Is the chat saying to do pickle shots? Yes. Who cares YouTube? Yes, they want me to do pickle shots. Take a look at my clips. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. A college student emailed me calling me Miss Vaughn, and I felt so offended. They think I'm old. Yo, hey, I feel, my son, his friends, they'll be like, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm like, I'm giving them some tips on basketball. Yes, sir. I'm like, bro, don't tell me yes, sir. I know yes, sir. I'm like, thank you, man, or like, appreciate you. Like, no yes, sirs. Come on. Fuck, bro. I'm trying to delay. I do not want to take this damn pickle shot, bro. Yes, sir. Shut the hell up, Hungry Hippo. All right, bro. Fuck, man. Okay. All right. Here we go. Just kidding. Man, I need to watch out for you, bro, because you have been redeeming some free spins, and then when it doesn't go your way, you then throw some more bits, and then we end up getting this even worse. It's crazy. It's a party here tonight. Let me go get a real shot, though. Dang, see, I would much rather take a real shot. I would much rather a tequila shot than this damn thing. Sure thing, Mr. Pickleman. Bro, I'm not gonna I'm gonna appreciate you say Mr. Pickleman over Pickle Boy. No, it's not a mixed drink. I wish it was a mixed drink. It's actually, so who cares, YouTube? Since this is your first time here, man. I dislike pickles with a passion, but there was one day where I did like an 8-hour stream for charity, and one of the incentives to get donations was for people to pay for me to take a pickle shot. And then it kind of just hung out. It stayed there since then. And now we take pickle shots. This one, apparently, people don't like me taking this one. They want me to go take the other ones, which they said it was worse. But I honestly think this one is worse because this tastes like dirty water with grass, like dirty dishwater with grass. And you took a pickle and you squeezed the pickle juice out of it and just landed. So a hint of pickleness. And it's just disgusting. It's disgusting. Mr. Pickle Boy didn't sound right. Yeah, I agree. It doesn't sound right at all. Look, who cares, YouTube? It has apparently gotten so, not popular, but a lot of people like me taking the pickle shots to the point where they make a pickle song. Noted, Hungry Hippo. Noted. Para que no digan que estoy scamming. Si eso es totalmente cierto, what? Hell no! That sounds gross, Monenzi. Hell no. All right. Hold on. What the hell is this? Let's see here. I prefer tequila, but not pickle. Javier, si eso es totalmente cierto, yo todo lo que he ido aprendiendo, he ido creando proyectos con esos conocimientos, porque ahí es donde realmente los conocimientos y las skills se mejoran. Por el momento he hecho cosas básicas, pero poco a poco le he ido subiendo la complejidad. Duro, mi brother. Y estás yendo por el camino correcto, y si quieres a alguien que te pueda empujar un poquito más, te sugiero que hagas preguntas en el Discord o que hablemos y yo te puedo, o sea, usa mi experiencia, mi brother. Yo he sido ingeniero desde el 2012, yo tengo 13 años de experiencia, así que úsalo como tú quieras, si es con preguntas, si es en forma de yo darte entrevistas, como quieras, Javier, tú me dices. I'm not scamming, bro. I'm delaying it because I hate this shit. You know I hate this. All right, bro. Since this is the first time that our boy, Who Cares YouTube is here, let's just go ahead and play the song. All right, bro. Just kidding. Thank you so much for the gifted subs, the chairs, the bits. But no thank you for this damn pickle shot. I hope that if I ever meet you in person one day, I can stuff 5 pickle shots so you can have them all in a row and I just bust out laughing while it's happening to you. Hope you have a good one tonight, bro. Thank you so much. Pa' arriba, pa' abajo, pa'l centro y pa' dentro. I'm him. Fuck. It's grass, bro. Bro, I'm only happy that it didn't come out my nose this time. Yo, I have like 2 of these that I need to finish. And I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. I'm going to be completely honest, straight up. I think I'm the type of person that go on. Yes, it did. it did Holiday. And Ameripon made this song on using a AI generation for songs. I still have 2 because I told my wife to go ahead and buy me an extra thing of pickles. And she ended up... No! Bro. Hijo la gran miércoles, brother. ¿Por qué? Pero ¿por qué, brother? Let's go. Hey. Hey. Let's go. I'll take it off though. So I usually reverse the action of the spin. So here we are. It wasn't me. Hey, Dear Bull. You know what you remind me of, Dear Bull? You know that song from Shaggy? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. That's what you remind me of, Dear Bull. Yeah, I Hungry Hippo. So she got a second one. And I have this one and then the second one. So, all right. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I think it's torture of me drinking one at a time of these things. Last time when y'all had me finish this amount, it was bad, but I was so happy it was over with. Because I honestly think I would much rather the other pickles than this one. I don't like these at all. Like, I really want to get rid of these. So, I mean, no, bro. No. It's the grass and the dirty water that kills me, bro. Fucking hell, bro. Pero, brother, déjame escribir código. DMBO, talking. Oh my gosh. DMBO. What the fuck?
Got him!
Oh my god. What the fuck? It was you, bro. Caught you red-handed, pero Javier, ven lo que me tienen haciendo, brother. Ven lo que me tienen. It was. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, I have learned that, better girl. I have learned that. Apparently, they love this shit. Oh, thank you for standing up for me, Meta Dev girl. No jodas, hombre. I never miss. They call me Kobe. Bro, yo. Oh my gosh, man. Y'all are something else. What I was trying to get at is that I might be willing next stream to drink a majority of this, depending on some deals we may make. Anyways, I think if you hold your nose, it could help. I'll try that right now, Holiday. Benjamin, what's up? You want to come in, buddy? You want to come in? No, you don't. No, he doesn't. He wants to go outside. All right. Brother. All right. I want to get back. Quiero regresar a hacer el código, pero no me dejan. Here we go. All right. Look. Let me be right back. Ahorita regreso. I need to go grab like are y'all okay if I go grab a granola bar? Like, let me just grab a granola bar so I can cover the taste after taking this. And maybe a napkin to wipe off my tongue. Y'all cool with that? We're good with that? Y'all cool? Yeah? All right, yeah. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna do it. All right. Let's get this shit over here, man. Damn bull. You better be here, man. It was you, DM Bull. I hope you have a diaper full of a bunch of stuff you don't want to clean and it just splatters all over your hand. Sorry, I just have to say it because I hate. You want to play, bro? Why you? Man, this is much better song though. Everybody, the other song is getting popular apparently. All right, let's see here. Let's get it done. DM Bull, brother, sé que tenés un hijo, sé que tenés un bebé, right? No sé si es hijo o hija, sé que tienes un bebé y ojalá que cuando le estés limpiando por la noche, que todo te salga en la camisa, brother. Damn, bro. Damn. All right. Here we go. Para arriba, para abajo, para el centro y para adentro. I'm him. Brother, Javier, mira cómo me tienen, brother. No jodas. Oh my gosh. So gross. Yeah, they will spill that beautiful Frozier's fate. Damn, bro. I can't believe you said, hope my app gets denied. Damn, bro. That's hardcore. ¿Qué es eso que sabes así? Bro, es esto. Es un trago de pepino. Ojalá fuera aguardiente, ojalá que fuera tequila, pero no. Es jugo de pepino. Y eso es lo que me ponen a tomar. Nobody just kidding. Nobody's feeling lucky. By the way, what are y'all's favorite liquor? Mine is Bacardi 151. I don't know if I tried that, but there's a whiskey that I really like. It's called Taylor 150. I don't remember what it's called. Copy his app, release it before he does, use profits to pay for more pickle shots. Bro, damn. I'm gonna have to watch out now. Quit being so negative. Just kidding. Why? When something is positive for me, why is it negative for you? Like, that makes no sense, man. All right. I do want to try something out for y'all, with y'all here. Ok. Una pregunta. ¿Cómo aprendiste inglés? Mi brother, yo soy originalmente de una isla de Colombia. En Colombia hablamos español, pero en la isla donde yo soy hablamos inglés como jamaiquino, como Bob Marley, como Sean Paul. Brother man, if I talk to you like, so this is how we talk where I'm from, you know. I talk like this when I go home, I talk like this, I talk to mi mamá, mi papá like so. You know, so, así es como yo hablo el inglés normalmente en las islas donde yo soy. Pero a crecer en Colombia, uno aprende español en el colegio. Y pues a los 15 años por ahí fue cuando vine a los Estados Unidos. Y pues como ya yo sabía como medio inglés, era facilito entenderlo y recogerlo. Y aquí estamos. Y ahorita vivo en los Estados Unidos. Pero si quieres practicar el inglés, únete al Discord y hablamos. O me escuchas más y así aprendemos más. All right. Let's see here. I do need to commit some of these because it was crashing. Onboard page. No, I don't want to do this onboarding stuff. No, I do not. So we can roll these back. Oh, yeah? Nice. I'll be okay. See, that's my favorite one though. That's my favorite one. I can drink tequila and whiskey like straight. See, beer to me, like I like beer if I'm eating some spicy wings that has some like sauce on it, you know what I'm saying? And I like to wash the spiciness down with my beer. So I don't really drink beer. If I do, it's probably be a Mexican beer, like maybe Dos Equis, maybe. But I much rather like my whiskey, my tequila, and something more neat, I guess. Uy, sorry, my bitches. Ah, super. Yo también soy de Colombia, soy de Medellín. Mucho gusto, entonces, Javier. Mira, mi brother, yo viví en Medellín por un año. Y no sé si conoces al Colegio Modelo Adventista de Medellín. Por allá fue donde yo estudié. Bro, how did you get that quote? When did I say that? I didn't say that quote. So, Metadev girl, do you drink the vodka straight? No, it's not true. I didn't never said that. And when did I say that, Dimbo? Just because it says there in text doesn't mean I said that. Oh, okay. Oh, it's not vodka. Oh, I see. Okay. I missed the not part of it. Bro, entonces, estás aprendiendo allá en Medellín? ¿Estás en la universidad? ¿O cómo? ¿En qué andas? Let's get rid of this. I don't need this anymore. Roll back. All three of these. This can be rolled back too. These inversion files can be deleted actually. Yeah, delete them. The only thing now I need to worry about is these. Yes, these right here. Cool. So let me commit this. Fix strings and dependencies. And then I want to show y'all something. I can drink everything but vodka. Gotcha. Vodka makes me woozy and combative. That's yeah, this Crown Royal for me. I have to stay away from it. I definitely have to. I could drink anybody under the table with tequila. I'm sorry, Metadev girl. I'm gonna call cap on that. I'm gonna call cap on that. Nice. It would be cool to do a tour of something like that over there. because I do like the apple ciders sometimes. All right. So I would want, look, all right. So this is the part of the stream where I kind of want to experiment something a little bit. So I kind of want to try and make a YouTube video live on stream, but I know the minute I said that, y'all probably going to interrupt me with the spids and all of that. So I'm going to try, this is going to be an attempt to show y'all something called Goose. And I want to set it up so y'all can kind of see how it works. It's a tool that was released by the company I work for. I'm not anyway affiliated with that work or anything, or are promoting it because of my job. I'm just using it because I use it at my job, and it's such a good tool that I want to try and bring it along to my regular workflow when I do my side projects. So I'm gonna bring it up here. Si estoy en la uni, pues es muy poco lo que nos enseñan de programación. Ahí lo que he aprendido es con documentación y videos. Okay. You do? Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Yeah, I think I saw a video that you released. I think it's the same one that Holiday spoke about. The one about planning. I think I saw that on YouTube. Maybe I didn't hit like. But yeah. Y yendo a foros de GDG Medellín, que hay gente que me ha ayudado bastante. Listo, brother. Pero bueno, pues Javier, como te comento, brother, yo estoy aquí para ayudar. Tú me dices cualquier cosa, cualquier pregunta que tengas en el Discord y nos mantenemos al tanto, brother. Porque en realidad, yo quiero ayudar a la gente porque eso también me ayuda a mí. Mi conocimiento crece. Hacemos conexiones y quién sabe, algún día yo pueda estar trabajando por ti porque tú eres el próximo famoso súper, tecnológico que hace un montón de vainas. Quién sabe, no sé. Pero por eso estamos ayudando cada uno. I haven't had a drink since like 2017. Good for you, Hungry Hippo. Good for you, man. Let's see here. Did I miss anything? Yeah, spell goose. Yeah, and I'll show it. And yeah, I'll try to get it started here. I have several files here that I have open. That's crazy. Hey, it's MetaDev girl. I'll speak for myself, but I feel like como que I overthink too much shit. Like I overthink it so much that I enjoy the process, as Illuspreach is trying to point out. I enjoy the process, but I'm scared what people may think about how I speak or how I express myself on YouTube, which is stupid. I know, it's stupid, but that stops me a lot. And I'll find little things like, oh, I need to spend more time on the thumbnail, or I need to spend more time on the editing, or I need to spend more time on X, Y, and Z before I actually get that stuff out. You know what I'm saying? So kudos to you for doing that. And here's my take at trying to do that. It's natural. Well, yeah, you're right. I should embrace it, right? That's true. I do care. Let's see. Let's see how it goes then. All right. Let me make sure this is aligned correctly inside of my frame. That should be all right. That's the thing, MetaDev girl. I don't. Because if you take a look at my YouTube videos, I don't act that way like I do on the stream. And that's what throws me off, because I try to become more proper and whatnot, and then I don't feel like I get my message across with the emotion I want to get it across. So it's weird. Take steps and going forward, you're getting better. If Nico can trade Luca, bro. You're facts. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. It's hard getting used to talking to the camera. Yeah, I feel that. All right. Let me try and jump into this. We're gonna try and record it then. So, okay. There is let's see if we can do a little intro y todo eso. Sí, obvio, hay muchas, y es verdad lo que dices, al uno ayudar los conocimientos de uno crece más y todas las personas tienen cosas para aportar. Exacto, brother. Y por eso, como te digo, en el Discord también te da una oportunidad a ti para que tú les enseñes a otros y tus conocimientos también crecen. Una conexión no está de más. Exacto, brother. All right, so let's try and get this over. Let's try and get this done. I'm going to try and take maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes in this recording. I don't know how it's gonna go. If it breaks, it breaks, and then we try to do the video another time. But here we go. All right. What's up, y'all? I'm Frozier. I'm a Twitch streamer. Oh man, I don't I don't know what to say. Hold on. All right. What's up, y'all? I'm Frozier. I build apps on Twitch Live. I use a lot of Kotlin Multiplatform. I have some experience doing a lot of mobile development, but today I want to show you a tool that I've been using as of late that helps me really not think a lot about the stuff I need to do, but I just get the job done. You know, that's too much, but here we go. Anyways, it's called Goose. So what is Goose? Goose is a GUI tool, right? Is it a GUI tool? All right. It's called Goose. Goose is a desktop application. Man, I'm just trying to say, all right, Goose is a desktop application that allows you to hook into existing services that you may have, such as ChatGPT, Cloud AI. You can pull all those inside of this desktop application and run commands, AI commands based on the context of your project. What do I mean by that? I can give it a path for a project I'm working on. It's going to use AI to learn about the application I'm building or my project that I'm building, and it uses the context based to answer the questions that I may have. Yeah. So, okay. All right. Let's try to keep going here. So you go to Goose. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Why am I nervous? Why am I nervous? Oh my gosh. No, don't do spins. I am so nervous. I don't know why. All right. Okay. Let's see here. So first off, we can go look for it. It's called Goose, and it's done by Block. So Block is the company that brought us tools for Android engineers. We know a lot about all of the stuff that Block does. Why? Yo. Come on. No. Bro, you fucking
Got him!
y'all some assholes. Bro, y'all some assholes. Wasn't me. Yo, it's to loosen up. Bro. Yo. Hijo de la gran madre, brother. Y'all something else. Oh my gosh, bro. Hungry Hippo, no thank you. I'm not playing the song this time, though. Y'all wear me out with that. No, they're not, man. You're supposed to stand for me. You're supposed to stand up for me, not agree with them. I'm glad you joined the hangout. Fuck, bro. Look, so y'all don't say I'm cheating. I'm scamming. Hey, I love it. That's what it's all about. Let's enjoy the vibes. You know, we're trying to code, but clearly, you know, it doesn't happen all the time. Thank you. We're giving you blooper content. Wow. This is pretty entertainment. Well, thank you, man. Thank you. I'm glad you're here. You know, once again, thank you so much for the gifts. You ain't got to do that at all, but I appreciate you being here. Hungry Hippo. The H stands for how I don't like you very much. I could keep going with the acronyms. The I stands for I really don't want to take this. The P is por favor no me hagas esto más. The other P is por qué hijo de la gran madre hiciste esto. Yo, I got to. Hey, you got to. And the O stands for OMG if I ever catch you, Hungry Hippo. If we ever meet a person, man, you gonna take a lot of these. You gonna take a lot of these. I'm respectfully dissing them. I heard Professor Deep Down loves pickle juice. Preacher, no. We don't like pickle juice. No. That is why he switches between English and Spanish. Exacto. Porque that's where it comes out, right? All right, anyways. Hungry Hippo. Hungry Hippo. Then I'm going to give you a totally different type of shot that you will not enjoy. I don't know what it is, but I'll figure it out. This is for you, my guy. I really dislike you right now. But here you go. Thank you for the spin. Brother, preacher, don't. Yeah, preacher, I know you have a lot. Don't. Hola mundo. Hello world. Here you go. All right, Hungry Hippo, it's for you. Pa arriba. Pa abajo. Pa centro. Y pa adentro. Enjoy dishwasher juice. I hate you, bro. I'm him. Fuck. Oh my gosh, bro. How is that entertaining, Hungry Hippo? That can never be entertaining, bro. Yeah, I did not. a holiday I tried. Pero no funcionó. No me funcionó. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that pickle shot was bad. All right. I'm trying to get back to this, but the ad's about to start, so I'm gonna give it a second. Yo, no. Hold on. Do hello world in random AF. No. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So yeah, go ahead and do it. Go ahead. Cause y'all are something else, bro. Y'all are something else. All right, while the ads go, I'm gonna be a little productive on this side. Yes, please help me out whenever you can, Holiday, with the new strategies. All right, I think I can display this. I have no code. All right, so this is my play console, right? This is where I have all of my, ¿cómo se dice? This is where my playlisting is gonna happen. Do that for Sarah. Random hello world, and I got you covered for sure. What do you mean? Like in a different language? It's talking about 30 minutes another stream. This is how bad it gets. I'm a little lost. I want to know how he's torturing you now. I want to know about what all is going on. All right. Release app for internal without review. Okay, I need to select testers. I need to create a list here. Oh. Can I steal that from you, MetaDev girl? That's a pretty interesting one. I know. Yeah. He's like, yes. I get a no and a yes. I think I might. I like it. I got languages for days, bro. And we're gonna have to put like a delay of that redeem then. Release, oh no. Growth is what I want. Store presence. Let's edit. Emoji code. Only steal it if you really want to try nonsensical languages live on screen. Yeah, I don't want to use brain. No. Okay. Gender, predictor, and planner. I'm over by 4. Can I do like this? 32. No. Baby. How about predictor and planner? Like this? Maybe. COBOL? Hell no. No. I do not want to touch assembly language, bro. Now I'm like thinking about not doing that because that sounds like pain. That sounds like pain. All right, let's upload these graphics here. And I'll get back to that video here in a second. Let me just throw in this here. Ah, shoot, I forgot. I'm supposed to use Canva to put some text above each one of these. Damn it, I'm gonna have to do it later. Fudge. I'll have to do it later. Okay, I'll do it later. I'll just get rid of this listing for now. All right, so let's get back to this. Haskell? Bro, nah. No. Like I am definitely not stealing that redeem then. Cause I see what you mean, MetaDev girl. He definitely be trolling you, huh? Alright, so yeah, I'm not gonna jump into that. Nope. Alright, so these are, I mean, no, there are. Don't get me wrong, but you you trolled us and wanted to make us do that. That's crazy. I ain't trying to use assembly language. I ain't trying to use brainfuck. No, those languages are troll languages, and he gonna show up every stream for real. Yo pues Strike Boy, dímelo. Ojalá que estés bien. Feliz miércoles. Hey, gracias. Estoy un poquito bien, ¿no? Chilling. Strike Boy. He banks them points. I see. He right though. He always show up. You right. You never redeem the pickle juice. That's fair. Strike Boy, ¿en qué andas? Javier dice, mucha gente me dijo, sigue con Python, pero creo que si quiero obtener una buena lógica orientada a objetos con Python, no lo conseguiría. Pero el tipado dinámico. Yo creo que, mira, brother, Python... Es que esta es la vaina. Yo no sé si estás enfocado en aprender lógica. Buenas, este es el canal que usa Flutter, Ergon Rod. No has estado por acá por un montón de tiempo, mi brother. You can't be saying that. We don't use Flutter here. No utilizamos Flutter. No has estado aquí por un buen rato. So, yeah. Nah, no vengas con eso. It's content, so respected. We're the streamers, so we're here to be the entertainment. Facts. I mean, I am trying to be entertaining. I am trying to get my apps out too, but just kidding. Hungry Hippo, Unruly Hot Fixer, Amedi Pun. Apparently, who this YouTube, all of that. Yeah, all of y'all are wanting to be some little trolls. I don't know why I said little trolls. Y'all not little, probably. At least Hello World is productive torture, for sure. That's what I was thinking. But then, I didn't forget about you, Mono and Z, yes, with the 50% accuracy of getting me pickle shots, you too. All of them trolls. DM Bull, all of them trolls, yes. Elliot Troop, whenever he's here, too. King Troop, yeah. All of y'all. But yeah, I think Hello World is productive torture. However, once he started saying brainfuck in assembly language, I'm like, I'm out. Aquí ya regresé a casa de un juego de básquet de mi prima. Oh, listo. ¿Ganó tu prima entonces? Strike Boy. Javier dice, ya porque Java es más hermoso, pero te vuelvo más cuidadoso con la estructura de tu código. Sí. Pero, brother, mira, Javier, no sé si estás enfocado en aprender lógica. al decirme tú en el chat, eso es lo que yo siento, que como que tú estás enfocado en poder aprender estructura, aprender lógica mejor y todo eso. Y la verdad, you were trolling, who cares YouTube? You were trolling for sure. So stop it. Stop it. I mean, as MetaDev Girl said, we're here to entertain. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. But just know that in my heart, there's like some names and they have X's on them. And DM Bull, Who Cares YouTube, Unruly Hot Fixer, Mono and Z, just Who Hungry Hippo, all of y'all are in that like this little pot. And just let me catch you one day. Anyways, my bad, I digress. I know, for real. I am. Edgar Rod, I'm so happy you don't have the subscription. Edgar Rod. Bro, I'm gonna hit you up next time I'll meet you. Next time I'm over there. Strike Boy, pero ganó tu prima o tú estabas jugando o tu prima estaba jugando. Y si ganaste. Javier, mala mía, brother. Javier. Ahora sí me voy a enfocar. Mira, lo que quiero decir, mi brother, es que no sé si te estás enfocando bastante en la lógica, que es bueno, pero la mejor forma, yo creo, o lo mejor que tú vas a poder llevar contigo en tu carrera al hacer proyectos es terminar los proyectos. Si tú haces proyectos que puedas terminar, vas a entender más o menos cómo en verdad uno trabaja en su carrera. Yo creo que eso es mucho más importante porque después tienes que ver cosas como analítica, tienes que ver cosas como cuántos usuarios tienes, cómo escalar. Y esos problemas,
from a pickle life can be hard sometimes. Deal with it. Relish every moment you share with those you love. The door to happiness is always ajar. If you want life to be sweet, you have to know what sour tastes like too. Remember, life is never a dill moment. Don't worry, in the end, everything will be just brine.
Bro, just kidding. What? Okay, advice from a pickle. Life can be hard sometimes. Deal with it. Relish every moment you share to those you love. The door to happiness is always a jar. If you want life to be sweet, you have to remember how sour it tastes like too. Remember, life is never a dill moment. Don't worry. In the end, everything will be just brine. Bro, I did hear it, but I did not. It was. Yo, I'm dying over here, y'all. I am dying over here, bro. I'm going deaf. I know I am. Not because of y'all, but yeah. I'm freaking sweating. Híjole. Más o menos, perdió solo por un punto. Mi prima jugó. Listo. No, pues qué chévere que tu prima... Y metió puntos. ¿Cuánto metió? Oh my gosh, yeah, bro. That's, yeah. Just kidding, you're something else. All right. I'm distraught. I'm distraught right now. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to focus. Tú me dices es obtener como tal los conocimientos y eso llevarlo a proyectos y ahí es donde mi lógica realmente mejora. Exacto. Así que trata de hacer proyectos, pero termínalos, lánzalo al público porque así vas a creer. Y vuelve a hacerlo otra vez y vas a ver que tu lógica por definición va a crecer. Va a crecer con los problemas que tendrás a que cuando tus aplicaciones estén creciendo, tal vez vas a tener problemas y esos problemas es donde uno aprende y uno mejora y eso te ayuda bastante en tu carrera.
Just because you missed Carl saying it the first time, advice from a pickle life can be hard sometimes. Deal with it. Relish every moment you share with those you love. The door to happiness is always ajar. If you want life to be sweet, you have to know what sour tastes like too. Remember, life is never a dill moment. Don't worry in the end. Everything will be just brine. By the way, I have never met a man with so many pickles in his mouth.
What the fuck? Yo! Yo, oh my god. All right, just kidding. You something else, bro. Oh my gosh, Mike. Me tiene loco por acá en el Twitch. Javier, ¿ves que estos tipos no me dejan en paz? No jodas. Ergonrod llegó y se fue. A fact. Facts. Facts, bro. Oh my gosh. All right, let me try and do this. Let me try and do this YouTube video, right? Let's try to jump into this YouTube video. All right, okay, let's see here. All right, y'all. So, I'm trying to. Oh man, I don't even think I have the bandwidth to do this now with all that laughing. Let me see here. What else did I have in my to-do list? Hold on. Por acá está. All right. Okay, I got it. We'll just jump into it regardless. Sí, eso es verdad, pero mi duda es cómo sé cuando tengo los conocimientos para hacer tales proyectos. Escúchame bien, Javier, brother. Uno nunca se va a sentir como que si tuviese los conocimientos para hacer algo. Porque en lo más que uno aprende y lo más que uno sabe, lo más que uno entiende lo que no sabe. ¿Me explico? O sea, lo más que tú aprendes algo y sabes más de ello, lo más vas a entender de que no sabes acerca de esas cosas. Así que lo que te sugiero, I like it. Lo que te sugiero, mi brother, es que vayas y solo sigas aprendiendo, sigas haciendo cosas. La verdad, nunca te vas a... Yo con 13 años de experiencia, no me siento como si que sé todo. Pero ahí estamos y le seguimos metiendo y eso es lo único que puedes hacer. Así que sigue haciéndolo, brother. No te preocupes por los conocimientos que no sabes. Solo sigue trabajando, sé consistente, métele mano y te va a salir bien. Yo creo que sí. What you got here, Metadev girl? What is this? Bro, yeah, yo, yeah. Yo, oh my gosh, yo, that was a point. See, this is the problem. I can't hear myself. I wish I could hear them. I did even hear it. I just heard. I just gotta jump into it. Oh my gosh. Okay. El punto en el primer partido ganó por 9 puntos y en el segundo se fue 75 con un equipo y otra escuela. Yo, that's crazy. That's dope. I made a vertical version too, so you gotta post that one on IG and TikTok. Bet, I will. That's another thing I need to do. There's so many clips that y'all have been making. I need to go through all of them and really just post them. But yeah, I will. I definitely will. All right, so back to Goose. I've been trying to get this done, right? All right, so what is Goose? Goose is a desktop application that you can integrate with the existing AI services that you probably use already, such as Cloud AI or ChatGPT. And then you can hook those into this desktop application, feed it the path of your project. Man, I'm spoken. I'm not just being me. Yo, just download Goose. Goose is gonna help you make your projects be much more easier to download Goose because it's gonna help you fast track your project that you're working on. And I'm gonna show you how right now because I'm gonna download it and we're gonna get unit tests going, even though I don't need unit tests. I thought Goose is a bird. Goose is a bird. Is it? I don't know. Sí, como tal, es lanzarme y aprender en el proceso de creación. Y es verdad, eso te lleva a entender porque ahí al tener un problema y resolverlo, no hay manera mejor de aprender. Exacto, brother. Exacto. Y esas paredes que uno que vas a llegar a esas paredes son las paredes que te hacen crecer, mi brother. Así que tienes que solo seguirle metiendo y seguir aportando a tu proyecto y así vas a crecer. Así es como yo pude conseguir 2 trabajos que no tenía. Así que estoy hablando de mi experiencia, ¿me entendés? All right. So, Goose, download Goose. It will help you speed up your project that you're working on. And I'm going to show you how. First, we go to the website. Okay. Goose was built by the creators. If you put gray in front of it, it also an overpriced drink. Oh, touche. And it's vodka. MetaDev's girl's favorite drink, right? I'm kidding. All right, but here we are. A goose is a bird of any of the several water flow species in the family, Anatidae. This group compromises the genera Answer and Branta. Okay, that's good fact to know. Did not know that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install Goose. For some history, Goose was created by Goose Block is the company that created Goose. If you're an Android engineer, you've heard of libraries like Retrofit, Picasso, SQLite, OKHTTP. All those libraries, the one thing they have in common is that they were built by Square. Square is owned by the company called Block, and Block is the company that created Goose. So if y'all want met the nuck if you buck, noted for sure. All right, so let's go ahead and get Goose installed. We go to Block Goose. Y'all don't know who rapping right here. Block Goose. Go ahead and download it. Installation instructions. Download Goose for desktop. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and open it up. Then we drag it to our application. And we open it. Open it. You might have to click open. If it doesn't work, That was Damon Marley. Hey streamer, what's the time for you? It is currently 10:45 p.m. All right. So once Goose is opened up, you're given several options to set up Goose. You can choose a provider, an AI model that you want to be the main user or AI. Bro, I don't know. See, this is already a stupid video right here. Okay, let's just finish it up. All right. So once you open up Goose, you can choose a provider you want to use. And then add it as the main one to run. Just talk just like normal. All right, bet. All right, so when you download Goose, you can choose a provider you want. If you want to use, for instance, ChatGPT or OpenAI, you provide your API key. I'll go ahead and get my API key and I'll paste it. Let me do it off screen. ChatGPT. It is 10:15 a.m. for you. Oh, nice. So I caught you at an early time this time, huh? Where's my API key? How do I get my API key? I've gotten it before. ChatGPT API key. OpenAI API key. Oh, I did open it in a different spot, right? Platform API. Oh, thank you. Platform that. I'm doing it off screen, y'all. Just one sec. OpenAI.com. See, thank you for that. Hey, look, y'all keep that feedback coming because that's the type of shit right there that makes me stick. Like, makes me just feel like I'm stuck because I feel like I gotta act a type of way and I gotta talk a type of way. But the beauty of coming on stream is that I get to be me and just act like how I feel like I would act if I would be hanging out around y'all. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate that because that just reminds me and gives me confidence that I should probably just keep this way that I'm doing it the way I'm doing it on the stream. Just do my YouTube videos that way. Like if you take a look at my last YouTube video that I did, which was a challenge that MetaDev Girl and I did together, the way I spoke on it, I hated it. I hated it. But I still released it just to say I released it. All right. How to get my OpenAI API key. Yeah, where do I find it? The API key page. Okay. I got to create one. Okay. So create my API key. And actually, I can probably show this. So you can go to, and I'll just copy this here. Let me see. You can go to platform.openai/API keys. Then I can create my new key. So I'm going to call this Goose. My project is going to be default and I'm going to create it, but I'm going to create it off screen. I'm going to copy that. Once created, then I will paste it into Goose. And it probably makes more sense for me to redo this though. Once you put it in, you'll get a successful added configuration. See there? My man jamming to Dems. What a chat. Hey, what's up, Venom Raiders? What going on? How you doing? Brother man, I have to talk like some me like that for beat, you know. Oops. Once you have your AI model provider selected, you can just get started with Goose. Then we launch it. All right. So why do I like Goose? Why is it so cool? Because you can easily provide it. And I'll show here. You can provide it a path to a project that you have, right? So I have dev, I have my baby gender predictor, and then here I say, this is the project I'm working on. So now that way you can have all the context so you can learn about my project. So then Goose is going to have all the context. What I'm trying to say, you give it a path for the project that you're working on. And then that way Goose will learn more about your project. It will understand what you're asking it because it will take your project into consideration based on the questions that you're asking it. So I can go ahead and show that here real quick. So I open it. Right, so now it has the path to my project. Then, hijo la gran puta, cojones, mierda, híjole, man. Yo, what's up? Thank you so much for the follow, my guy. Appreciate you. Yo. Oh my gosh. I'm doing good, my brother. I'm glad you're doing good. Where you from, Venom Raiders? What do you do? Are you an engineer as well? You just chilling here? What you got going on? Drop me some knowledge. Drop me what you got going on. Dímelo. I know, MetaDev Girl. I know. So how many pickle shots I missed today? You've missed 2 so far. 2. I'm so glad I just took off one side of my headphones. MetaDev Girl, you might not want to see one of the clips that Tyler made. They scared the hell out of me. And that's why he's no longer allowed to send links in my stream. Just so you know. All right. So now that I have Goose set up, as I mentioned, Goose knows now about my project. So anything I ask it, it would take into consideration my project. So let me just give it a quick question. For instance, let's take a look at this project here. And I know I have, okay, let's just ask it this. Can you tell me a bit more about this project? Uh-oh. Is that already an error? Why? I've seen this before. Is it because of the API that I'm using? Womp, womp, womp. Oh, that clip, I watched it several times. Yeah. Something else. Okay, why I have the API key? I'm a programmer too, bro, from Africa. Cameroon, my brother. That's what's up, my guy. Hey, welcome on in. Thank you so much for being here. Yo, man, Afrobeats for me is the shit. I love Afrobeats. I love Caribbean music, so I listen to a lot of dancehall, a lot of reggae, a lot of reggaeton. Yeah, I think so too. I'm gonna put it on TikTok for real and Instagram. Already enjoying how you stream. Keep going well, man. Hey, appreciate that, man. Thank you for saying those kind words. Hope you're doing straight. So, hey, do you have like what when you say programmer? Like, are you back end, front end, mobile? Like, let us know a little bit about you, man. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Can you explain this project? Man, as usual, demos break midstream. Interesting. All right, so what am I do then instead? Bet. Appreciate you, my love girl. I'll definitely take a look. Yo, this is so fucking wrong, though. This is so wrong. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's. I'm gonna need a title now. Like, what is gonna be the title for this, bro? I mean, bro, I call you bro. You know, yeah. What's gonna be the title for this? It's ready for upload. Facts. Oh, you trying to get me to upload it right now, huh? Let's see, Cloud AI. But yeah, what would be the title? Advice from a pickle. There you go. All right, let's try to jump into this. Yes. I wanna try this Anthropic. What? It needs my phone number. I guess we can try this. You know what? I'm gonna use my Google Voice number. I'll use my Google Voice number. Unsupported phone line type. Damn. Like that? All right, damn. Okay. I hope it doesn't show my text message because it's linked to my phone. There we go. By the way, y'all, if y'all want to, these clips are going to be on Instagram. If y'all want to take a look out there. You know what I noticed? I don't really use Instagram that much. But I realized that it's an easier way for me to talk to people. I've been DMing I've been DMing like Illis Preacher. I've been reacting to some of MetaDev Girl stuff. I feel like it's easier to talk to people on IG than something like Twitter, for instance. Yeah, I think so too. So I think that's where I'm at with it too. All right, so yeah, she does. All right, let's try to change this and add a new one. We can add a new. We can browse. Oh, not extension, because. Oh.
I think you are mistaken, Frozer. You have taken 3 pickle shots tonight. One from me, one from DN Bull, and one from one other real one. You should take another for misleading the new Raiders.
It was from
you gotta tell me
YouTube?
why Barry picked you to be on his team. Is it that you both have a true love of pickles? Each other's pickles, no homo. Anyways, we need some more feel lucky because chat's getting anxious for another spin.
Yo, I knew it was you just kidding. This guy, bro. This guy. It was DM Bull, it was you, and it was Who Cares YouTube. That's why all of y'all are on my list, bro. That's why all of y'all on my list. I don't know. Hey, y'all go catch some pickle hands. Time I meet y'all. Just saying. I mean, he picks me up on his team because, like, he knows I can go get us buckets. Like, come on, y'all. Like, I mean, I hoop. Like, I hoop. Like, I feel like I'm a pretty decent hooper. Don't get it twisted, man. Hold on. Then who was it? It was you. Bro, who was it? Now I gotta know, bro. Because it was DM Bull. It was Just Kidding. But then there was a third person. It was Hungry Hippo. It was Hungry Hippo. Yeah, it was Hungry Hippo. El cabrón. All right, so let's go ahead and try to add Claude AI here. Oh my gosh, here we go. All right, so if I want to add a new provider, I can go into the settings. Then we go to browse. And you can search for different providers here. So for instance, I could look for Claude. No. I can add here though. I mean, all right, MetaDev Girl, come on now. Stop it, Ameripon. You need to get out of here, bro. Bye, Ameripon. Leave. Ciao. Ciao. No te queremos ver, compadre. Adios. I don't want you to come over here with your pickleness. MetaDev Girl. Look. I'm gonna tell you. God. God damn it, bro. Oh
Got
my
him. Got him.
Oh my gosh, bro. What in the Oh my gosh, bro. Esta gente, bro. Esta gente sí que no me quiere ver. No me dan un break, mi bro. No me dan un break. Yo, try to keep me out as soon as I get here, bro. Hey, it's in us. I'm a hoop until my legs don't tell me I can't hoop no more. Like I'm a hoop as much as I can. No, I don't love to see it. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm gonna tell you this for real though, MetaDev Girl. Like I'm known. I got a nickname. They call me the mid-range assassin. I'm the mid. Like I don't shoot threes. I'm the mid-range assassins. If you have a game on the line, you want the mid-range assassin to get the ball. And it's going in. I'm telling you that. Or I draw double teams and I get somebody open and I would make the pass. I'm just saying, Bro, the pickled poppy? For real, bro? The pickled poppy? Yo, y'all kind of wrongs, bro. Got a whole 9 to 5 and breaking kneecaps for basketball. Bro. You know, my wife said the same thing. She's like, have you ever seen Fro play basketball? He looks like he's gonna kill himself. It's the competitiveness in me. I can't let it out. Sounds like a song title. The Pickle Papi. Dímelo, soy el Pickle Papi. El que sabe, tú no eres de aquí. Esto no es de gratis. Tienes que pagar un poquito porque soy así. Alright, my bad. I'm going back. Alright, okay. Fuck you, Maripon. I don't want to take this damn thing, bro. Shit, man. I hope your game does bad, bro. I hope the game you're building que no funcione. Fuck. Thank you, Mr. Solo Q. Alright, Maripon. Fuck, bro. By the way, y'all, this is the person that made the AI song, which I'm not gonna play. I already played it twice. I'm not playing it anymore. They don't want the song. Alright, bro. I'm at this much left. How much points do you have right now, Maripon? I'm gonna make a new one called Pickle Poppy. You know what? To each his own. You have 222 rewards? Okay, damn it. All right. I was trying to get you to spend all your money for what I have left in here. Not money, but all your points for what I have in here. But you don't have enough. Like, I was hoping you had like 3,000, 5,000. Y te pone esto. I do full stack for freelancing. My bad. I saw you said something like that earlier, but I got caught up, bro. My bad. I do full stack for freelancing, but I prefer working on system applications. That's what I am currently learning now, but I like building random stuff. So you can just call me a software developer. Okay, that's dope, bro. I mean, I started doing full stack development and now I'm doing mobile development. I much more enjoy that. But hey, as long as you're having fun and you enjoy doing what you're doing, that's all that matters, dude. Do you have any projects that you would like to share with us? We can take a look at it. All right, bro. That's what I'm saying, Ameripon. If you had 3,000, I would finish what I have here. This much. From here down, I would finish all of this for your 3,000 points, but you only have 200. So no. All right, let me get this shit over with. Ameripon, welcome on in. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you spending for that reward. And I appreciate that you get the pickle shot. I don't appreciate that. What I do hope is that your game that you're building, your super cool game that has over, I don't know how many people now, of thousands of people at this point in your Discord and all of that crap. I hope all of them decide to open your game one day and it crashes. So, yeah, this is for you. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, y pa dentro. I'm him. Oh my gosh, bro. This is so ridiculous. That's so bad, bro. Look, I think this is about... No! Hell no. Look, I think this is like 48 ounces of water. Y'all made me drink this whole shit. I can't believe y'all. Oh my gosh. He's just adding fuel to the song fire. This guy. Ergon Rob, brother. No sé por qué me ponen esta miércoles, brother. ¿Por qué me tienen en esto, man? Hijo de la gran... Esta gente, brother. No, hombre. This man is pure comedy with these shots and don't understand why he's being tortured. Is it really that? It's not comedic to me. It's freaking disgusting. Does it taste like the pickle juice from pickle jars or sweeter? Mr. Solo Q, it tastes like, imagine you have a big old plate of, let's in your sink where you wash your dishes, right? Or your clothes. I don't know. You wash your dishes. Let's say you fill that up with water. You put all of your dirty dishes in there. You take that shit out. And then you take the water from that dishwasher or from that sink. You then chop up some grass and throw it in there. Then you take some pickles and it's kind of like you squeeze it. You know what I'm saying? Like squeeze the pickle in there. That's what this shit tastes like, bro. That's it. So if the question is, do I prefer the pickle juice in the bottles versus this type of pickle juice? I prefer the ones in the bottles. It's ridiculous. It's a grass for me. Yo, it's disgusting. He keeps saying grass and dirty water. It tastes like grass. Y'all have never eaten grass before? I mean, I have eaten grass before. Like, I mean, I'm an island boy. That's all I can say. I'm an island boy. So, yeah. Oh, never, ever do the nasty jelly bean redemption. MetaDev girl, that has been a request on this stream. And I think that one's next. I had a rotten egg flavored jelly bean and almost quit streaming. I feel like that would be me, to be honest. You know what they had me do? My cousin gave me some Sour Patches that were either pickle flavor, lemon, or watermelon. Every time I got the pickle one, oh my gosh, so disgusting. Venom Raiders, yes, I got some projects. Let me get one. Yeah, I agree with you. It's good to move between different fields. I don't like full stack dev. I prefer desktop applications and system level applications. Cool, man. Yeah, drop it in, Venom Raiders, or if you want to join the Discord too and drop it in there, you can share it as well. See, Twitch allowed me to interact today, so I redeem Hydrate. I know, thank you so much. That saved me. I have enough points for a spin, but I'll let you settle down for a little bit, bro. Hey, I'm leaving in like 20 minutes, so don't get it twisted. I am gonna jump. So he preferred pickle juice anyway. That's not what I'm saying. Why do you want just asking? That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that if I had to choose between the both, the other one is better. That rotten egg will sit with me for the rest of life. I can believe it. I can believe it. I'll be here for emotional support. Thank you. Thank you. As long as you don't spin any, MetaDev girl, because you probably have enough too. I just noticed Flutter in the title nice. Yeah, we por acá, we don't do Flutter though. No hacemos Flutter. We do mainly Kotlin Multiplatform. But yes, sorry, I've been trying to record this video and clearly it's not working. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's crazy, YouTube. That's crazy. Who cares, YouTube? That's wild, bro. Man, I would have whooped his butt too. I don't care if I'm not whooping the person that gave me that. I'm whooping somebody. Maybe you should give us some saving redemptions too. Ooh, that's interesting. That's interesting. So if somebody rolls and gets something, then you can counter roll to take it off. I like that. I like that. That's interesting. I like that. I like that. No, I know that was crazy. A minimal Python web project for built with the Python standard library. Okay, so just kind of like a little game. Who was telling me they were doing Python? Oh, Javier was telling me he was doing Python. Bro, no, 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 no. And no, I wouldn't take. So you're saying 5K redeem to take a pickle shot? That's an interesting one, Mr. Solo Q. I know. That's what I'm contemplating. That's what I'm contemplating. But the way I'm feeling right now, I think it's my turn for the spins to go my way. That's how I feel. So I feel like if spins were to happen now, I won't get a pickle shot. That's how I feel. So I'm gonna go with my gut this time, and I'm not gonna make that happen. Nah. No, I'm not trying to bait anybody. Yo, Ergon Rod, te tengo, bro. Hey, y'all don't make fun of me. I'm in my PJs, all right? I'm in my PJs. I worked out, I showered, and I came straight to do this. Ergon Rod, I got you. All right. El trompo, Ergon Rod. Look, oh, you don't know what it is? I got you, bro. Este es un trompo, mira. Este es un trompo. Para que vea. Ah! I know, bro. They are. I thought PG a sport joke. Nah, I'm in my PJs, y'all. Yeah, I have. But yeah, this is the trompo. I used to play this a lot as a kid. I love doing it. I was thinking at some point. I mean, I don't know. I don't think people would enjoy having this in their office or anything. But I do want to make not merch, just do something that I can give out to y'all because y'all been supporting me lately. So, not lately. Y'all been supporting me. So. Oh yeah, I can do it too on the string, but I think it's more impressive to be honest, because the string is not that hard to do. What's more impressive, in my opinion, is if you can do it without letting it touch the ground and catch it in your hand. So, oh shit, that one's yep, I messed it up. Oh well, getting back to coding. But yeah, on the string is you just wrap it around and pull it up and you catch it in your hand. It's pretty easy. All right, let's figure out what the hell is going on with this goose. So that's how I played it. I played it without letting it touch the floor. It like back in the day, growing up, if you could do it without it touching on the floor, like they were like you had like how the kids are saying nowadays, you got aura. You get aura. All right, let's add this one. I need the anthropic key. Your boss, yeah, facts. Hay que ser un jefe. Un jefe. All right, let me see here. I want to do Cloud AI. Oh, Anthropic API key. Gotta go to the console. Yo, I don't need an organization. Oh my gosh, technology. Get API keys. Here we go. Create an API key. Name is Goose. All right. I'm definitely gonna have to record this on my own. Because on stream it didn't fly. All right, we have Cloud AI. So as y'all saw earlier, I set up ChatGPT, right? I set up OpenAI, but I also now set up Anthropic. And what this means now is I can use either one of these as the model to help me with my project. So, yo, what happened to it? I thought I added it. Oh, I gotta choose. Okay. So then I chose which one I'm going to use. And see down here it says cloud. I can choose between cloud or OpenAI or OpenAI's. So yeah, why AI? So this tool, as I was mentioning earlier, why do you want just asking? This tool allows you to, it's kind of your companion when you're coding based on the project you're working on. So you can give it a pat of the project you're working on, as you can see here in the bottom left corner, and it will learn about your app. So like if I ask it right now, can you explain this project? Bad request. Oh man, your credit balance is too low to access the Entropic API. Please go to plans and upgrade. What the why? Why doesn't it make it easy? Which one is the free one? Yeah, it's kind of like Copilot, but it's really good. I use it for work, and it's really good in helping you learn. Like I'm guessing it's a lot like Copilot. When I tried Copilot, I didn't enjoy it as much as using Goose. And I'm not biased because I use it, like the company I work for made it. I'm just I used Bolt before, I used Copilot. I've used Gemini as well. Didn't really like it. This one, I feel like I get my own option to choose what I want to use, right? So I think that's why I think I like Goose a little bit mejor. But I want to see which is the free tier. Okay, let's switch it to this one. Can I use this one instead then? Can you explain this project? No puedo tampoco, hijo de la gran miércoles, hombre. Let's see if the other one I can as well. Venom Raiders. Okay, so that's a cross-platform desktop app, Notepad with HTML, CSS, JavaScript from scratch, but porting it to as a desktop software using a WebView 2 runtime. What is WebView 2 runtime? Yo, I don't know why everything is like a bad request. Can I use a 1? Oh my gosh, bro. What is going on with this OpenAI? Let me just see real quick the project this guy is using. Hold on. No payment just for okay. So this is all used on the web. Using Python too and HTML and CSS. Cool. From Microsoft is used for most web-based cross-platform apps. Gotcha. I don't know a lot of cross-platform web solutions outside of React and Flutter. But that's cool to know there's another one. You said it's called WebView 2 runtime? Bro, why is... So the mini doesn't work. Let's try with this one. Fuck, bro. Pero ¿por qué no me funciona esta vaina, hombre? I'm wasting time clearly here. Developer. So yeah, you can put it to control your computer if you want. JetBrains integration, this is what I need as well. But it's not working. I wonder if there's anything on their... Let's see here. Configure LLM providers. Change model. Okay, using Goose is for free. Google Gemini provides. Okay, what about for OpenAI? Yo! Hey, what's up? Mono NZ, so you left my stream and went to compile dev? I cannot believe you. How dare you, my guy? I'm kidding. Welcome on in. How y'all doing? Thank you so much, compile dev, for the raid. Appreciate it, my person. Hope your stream went okay. Hope your stream come out okay. What were you working on? Let me give you a little quick shout out. Thank you. What were you working on? How you doing? Throw a little bit in the chat about yourself. Like, what is it that you do? What were you working on? I just wanna... Oh, Godot game dev. That's dope. I'm trying to learn Godot myself, but I find it difficult. Not the learning part of what to do, but more so the vision or creativity to what to build. So kudos to you. You have a demo yet? Mainly a mobile app dev by day, but game dev by passion. Dope. So tell me a little bit more about mobile app. Do you build using Swift, Flutter, React, Kotlin? I'm over here just trying to play around with this tool that the company I work for released. And I've used it at work and it works really good. But you know, it's not working for me. Yeah, the game is on Android and iOS. Alas, dope. I like it. He's a Swiftie though, so be slightly kind to him. I mean, not too kind though. I mean, I'm nothing but kindness, Mono and Z. Compile dev. Hey, let me holler at you real quick, my guy. Hold on. Let me holler at you real quick. Compile dev. My guy, my person, my bro. Yo. Mono and Z, he's not too kind. He's not too kind at all. He over here, he has a 50% chance of hitting pickle shots on my stream. So I hope he's kind in your stream because he's never kind on my stream. Just so you know. How is he on your stream? See, he said it. He's always giving you hell. See, I knew it. But with Z, you have an X on my heart as well, man. He did recommend that. So yeah, at least he did one thing right. At least one thing, you know what I mean? So, oh my gosh. Bring the chaos, don't start. So Swift is your main thing, but you manage teams for Android, Swift, React Native apps. Oh, dope. So sounds to me like you have a lot of experience. Any apps that you've released on your own or with the companies that you've worked for?
So here we are, more raiders looking for a grand old pickle shot. If we can get chat to type the number 1 and chat spins will come. The more one-its in chat, the more spins until we get pickles. Let's give these raiders more and more of a chance to see the ultimate surprise.
Just kidding. No, nobody. No. What the f- No, bro. Did you just? Ergo, tú también, brother. I'm ignoring chat. Compile dev, welcome on in, man. You said you're very old. It's okay, man. You have a lot of experience. It sounds like you have a lot of good stuff. Did the wheel break? Why you say that the wheel break? Why? What happened? The wheel is not broken. Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all. Here, I'm gonna give back your stuff. What the fuck? Why we got two? Why we got two? Why? I told y'all. I felt lucky. All right, but apparently something is broken, so I need to redeem sums here. Let me give you back your bits, man. Let me give you back your bits. Hold on. Because who rolled this one? Who was trying to look here? Just kidding. Oh my, I don't get what's going on here. I can't? Damn it. Okay. All right, so you were the one that broke it? Okay, okay. All right. So let's see here. All right, I'll give you a spin. You're right. Why twice? No. All right, bro. Y'all making me. Oh my gosh. Y'all are making me. I'll play the new song, If It Happens, Ameripon. Not just because you said so. If it happens, I have it here ready. I got you. All right, let's see here. I'll spin it for you. Fuck. It better not be. It better not. I mean, I feel lucky. I think we're good. I think we're Gucci. We straight. Hey. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm doing. Bro, what the? Just. It's not gonna happen. No!
Got him! Got him!
So here's how we browse models, and then you can go and click on OpenAI, and you can choose the different type of models that they have here. You know, you can click on the GPT-01, then we can switch to this mode, and we can ask it certain questions. Let me go ahead and give this a try. Let's see if it works. Can you explain this project? Damn it, this is still not working. God! Oh, fucking hell, bro. Fucking hell. Thank you so much for the follow. Compile there, man. Thank you so much. Yo, y'all, so who cares, YouTube? I'm telling you, bro. I'm just trying to work, man. I'm just trying to get my shit done. I'm trying to release my app by the end of the month, the end of the week, actually. And look at this. Meta dev girl. All right, bro. Fucking hell. I'm taking off this stuff, though, man. All right, bro. I'm ready, pun. Fuck, bro. Look, we got brand new raiders in here, and oh, so you're really nice to him, but not nice to me. I see how it is, Monos and Z. Just wait. When someday in some life, I'm gonna be able to go to New Zealand. And when I go, I would go and look for you. I'll dig up a pickle from the ground, chop it up, squeeze it with a little bit of lime, throw some grass and extra dirt, blend it up with some vinegar and give you a pickle shot, bro. Just, I'm out of water. Here we go, bro. And you're right, Ergonrod. I am out of water. Fuck. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I do not like pickles. Bro. You know, is compile the dev first time here on the stream, and y'all gonna force me to take a pickle shot in front of this man? You're like, all right, let's hear this stuff, man. Let's hear this pickle song, bro. A ver qué dice. What? I like this. Hey, I'm coming on the feature. No, I don't. Hey, this one slaps. Sometimes, I know. All right, here we go. I know this was better. Bro, pause. Pause. All right, bro. Here you go, just kidding. Thank you so much for this shot. I hope you get some pickle juice in your eye. Thank you so much. And here you go. Pickle Poppy. He said, yo, pa arriba, pa abajo, pa centro, y pa dentro. I'm him. Fuck. Bro, it went to my nose. It went to my fucking nose. No tengo agua. Necesito agua. What the fuck? Yo. Yo. What? Bro. Oh my gosh. Almost trash. Yo, it's so gross. Yo. Who cares, YouTube? Hey, man, you gotta do that, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift of sub, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh, my gosh. I'm at a point, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm at a point. That song is fire, bro. That song is fire. That song is dope, bro. Super dope. Yo, man, I'm still... But yo, all the people just got sub. You can no, I'm leaving. It's I said that to 11:30, so I'm leaving, bro. No. I mean, I set myself up for that, bro, for real. But you don't have to. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm just trying to code. I'm really trying to get Goose to work, but it's not working. Y'all. We're not doing no more. We're not doing any more spins, man. I think I need to figure out a way to leave, because oh my gosh, I know. Hey, what's up, Fetish? How you doing, my guy?
So here we are again. Chat.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you for typing all those one dons in chat. There's nothing that I like more than these one dons in chat.
Okay.
Never mind. I love streamers gagging on pickles. Should we attempt this one more time?
No, we should. Stop it. Stop it. No. Fetish. Tasty Pummel. What the fuck? Tasty Pummel has yet to say anything except one in the stream. What the yeah, clearly so better than girl. Fetish, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use this AI tool that I use at work called Goose. So I'm trying to use... Oh, what the... Oh, no. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm done. Better not. Let's go. Hey. 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 Bro, what the? Bro, taste it. Bro, no. No. Hey. Hey. No. Find my breath. Thank you. I have no more water, bro. Y'all made me finish my water. Thank you so much for the water. Hey, I hope y'all are having a fantastic. I never seen a streamer this stressed. Yo, y'all are killing me, man. I swear y'all are killing me over here, bro, with this shit. Who got that? What happened? What are y'all talking about? What happened? Did somebody get the pickle shot? I thought I saw just the shades, right? Just the shades, right? So we good. We straight. We straight. We good. Bro is going through all five stages of grief. Yo, for real. Shades and pickle shot, tasty pomade. Are you lying? And it's not true. I don't believe you. No, para nada. It was boat denial. Nice. Somebody's.
Chat, we did it. We made it one more time before he logged off. Let's fill chat with pickle emojis over and over and show him to take one more.
Yo, bro, that's butter in his eyes. Y'all are killing me, bro. Y'all are fucking killing me, man. Y'all are killing me, bro. Yo, for real. Y'all is something else, bro. Fuck, man. Fuck. Peak entertainment on Twitch. I need Carl in my stream. I say, for real. For real. Yeah. Okay. Y'all are killing me, bro. I swear. I can't stop laughing. I cannot stop smiling. Oh my gosh. Not done yet. I know. Clearly no. Hi, bye y'all. I'm leaving. Ciao. Yo, this smells so fucking. The only good thing that came out of this stream was the song that Ameripon made. Cause this was crazy. No, I'm leaving Tasty Pomade. No. Compile Dev. It never tastes better. It never tastes better. It never tastes better. Fuck. No, I don't. I need to definitely fix that. There's been 138 attempts. There's been 5 made this stream. I've taken 5 shots. I've taken 5 shots this year. This stream. Pico, dale. I like it. All right. Who got this one? Was it Just Kidding again? Pickle plus hot sauce, that would be worse. I would much rather hot sauce than pickle. Here you go. Hey, Just Kidding. I think this was you. I don't even have roast to tell you, man. I hope. I don't even know what to say, bro. I can't say I hate you, but I don't like you. And like, why are you making me suffer? No, I'm not replacing shades with hot sauce. You tripping? Mono and Z, bro. Compile Dev. What the that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I can't even breathe, bro. What the fuck? Alright, man. Getting this shit done here. Just kidding. If you don't chat in the chat, I'm not taking this pick or choose. You better say something in the chat. I haven't seen you say anything. Cause you got it. Chat it. For you, my guy. I am, bro. I think so too, Compile Dev. I think so too. Here you go. Pa' arriba, pa' abajo, pa' centro y pa' dentro. I'm here. Oh my God. bro, it's like grass coming out of my fucking mouth, man. It's like I could feed cows with my breath of grass. Like it's, oh my fucking gosh, bro. What the fuck is this music? It's making me stressed. Fuck, bro. I don't have any more water, bro. Nah, Ergo Rod. Te me vas pala. Te me vas. Te me vas, mi bro. Te me vas. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bro, I took 6 pickle shots this stream. Y'all know that, right? 6. All I wanted to do is finish my freaking AI with Goose so I can write a quick unit test to show y'all, make a quick demo of it. But now, my breath just smells like grass. I have dirty water stench inside my guts. No. I'm going to ignore that comment. No, I am going to ignore that forever. No. I don't. You know what? Nah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find somebody to raid and get the hell out of here before y'all keep hitting me with the spins. So let me hurry up. This guy looks cool. It looks like he's building something using Godot. Bigger in. No. Kawasaki one more. Yeah, even normal person will have puke. That's nasty. And no! YouTube. Who cares YouTube? Stop it. Y'all instigating. When testing is preferred over pickle shots, yeah, no, it's getting real. That's like probably one of the best comments. For real. Hell no, just kidding. One more? You tripping, bro. No. That's not happening. Is this person doing leak code? Nope. All right, y'all. Is there anybody y'all want me to raid? Yeah, I think we got so many. Tag is broken. Carl died. Oh no. Tangia, I don't know why. Okay, who do we... All right, this person here is doing a retro FPS. He looks kind of cool. Yeah, he has like a little outfit going on. We'll rate this person. All right, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here before y'all give me with some more of this. No. Thank you so much, Compile Dev. Thank you so much for joining the team too, and for you to just join in us. If you want to Compile Dev, join the Discord too. That way we can chat more about mobile dev. I would love to rely on your experience, man, because you sound like you have a lot of stuff. He's a great dev. Dope. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. Hey, I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a fantastic rest of your night, fantastic rest of your even day, whatever it may be. And I'll see y'all this weekend. If you're in the Discord, I will let you know when I'm streaming in the Discord. So join it if you like. I'll drop it right here. But thank y'all so much. Appreciate y'all a lot. Y'all have a fantastic rest of your day. Who cares YouTube? Once again, man, thank you so much for all the gifted you did today. It was amazing. Y'all didn't have to do that. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.